Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And factorizing the perfect square trinomial. So how to do? We have this example. We wanted to factorize. We have 9x squared minus 30xy plus 25y squared. So we look first term. This is called first term. Okay, and this is called last term. We check if they are in a perfect square. So what I mean is, it is possible to get from another number if I square, or if I square root this one, can I get is a perfect square? So 9, square root of 9 is what? Is a 3. So that is a perfect square. So we make this one come as 3x squared. So this is perfect square. So 3 squared is a 9, x squared gives me x squared, and here also 25 comes 5y squared. So we do it that way. Okay, so 25 comes 5 squared, and y squared comes y squared. So that's good. How about the middle? The middle we make a plus or minus square root of the first times the second times 2. Okay, so the middle comes in plus or minus, I forget here to write a 2. So 2 square root of the first one, which is 9x squared, times square root of the second, the last one, which is 25y squared. So that is have to be in the middle. Okay, let's see. We have a 2, we times by square root of 9, and x squared is what? Is 3x. Okay, then we multiply 25 square root y squared is what? Is a 5y. So if I multiply this is what? 2 times 3 is what? 6. 6 times 5 is 30. We have 30 here. So if it's minus here, we take in minus. If it's a plus, we take in plus. So that is how we work this one. So for example, if you are missing this part, how you get? If you are missing the last part, how you get? If I missing the middle, I use this formula. Okay, let's see if you missing the first part. So this is what you're gonna do. So the first part, the first term is equal, and the middle term over 4 times, so I forget here, you have to square it, then 4 times the third term, the third term. Let's try this one. Okay, we take the middle term, which is 30x squared. So we say 30xy squared. Then we divide 4 times the third term, which is 25y squared, which is 30 squared is what? 30 times 30, 900. And x squared will be x squared, y squared will be y squared, over 4 times 25 is what? 100. And square y squared. So we divide by 900 and 100, the answer will be 9. And y squared is gone, we get x squared only, which is the first term. Is that clear? So you take the middle term square, so you don't have this one, you wanted to get that one, so you have only this part. So what you're going to do, you take the middle one, you square, you divide by 4 times the third term, or the last term. Okay, let's see if I need to get the third term. So what you're going to do third term? So same, middle, you do same, but you change it here. Instead of third term, you write first term. Okay, let's see now. We have the middle term, 30xy, we square, we divide 4, we times by 9x squared. Okay, that will give me the last term. So 30 squared is 900, x square y square over 4 times 9 is what? 36, right? Then x squared. So x and x is gone. 36 when you divide by 900 is what? When you divide a 9 here is 4. When you divide 9 here is 100. So you have 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 100 is 25. So you have 25y squared. Is that clear? Okay, in general, to get the middle theorem, you do this formula. To get the first theorem, you use this formula. To get the last theorem, you use this formula, but you change the third theorem to first theorem. And that's it for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.